Good day to everyone. In this video, we will see the positive negative sequence for the star and delta connections, and just keep this in mind. Okay, so positive sequence, negative sequence. Okay, in three-phase system. Okay, so see, generally not every time we encounter your positive sequence only. Okay, because negative sequence we generally use in the power system and we have to do the positive fault analysis, because during fault there is an unbalanced condition. So those unbalanced current can be found out in terms of the balance plus negative plus zero sequence components. Okay, so the in that thing we will study in detail, but here I will tell you the concept. What is the meaning of positive sequence? Okay, so a positive sequence is this thing: VA at an angle 0, VB at an angle minus 120, and your VC at an angle plus 120, or you can say it as what, VC at an angle 240 also, minus 240 also. Okay, so this is your ABC is your positive sequence. Okay, now your negative sequence means, and if you are talking about the balanced loads that we usually do, and we are always talking about the balanced load, so your VA is equal to VB is equal to VC in magnitude, only those phasor directions are in this fashion. Okay, if you take your VA, VB, VC as your phase voltages, okay, so your line voltage will come out to be for the positive sequence. Okay, so let us take these VA, VB, VC are phase voltages. Okay, so now we have to calculate the line voltage. Okay, so line voltage, let me calculate as VAB. Okay, so VAB I am calculating. See, VAB means VA minus VB. Okay, VA minus VB. So minus VB is this thing. Okay, and if you add these, so you will get this vector. This will be your VAB. Okay, so now here the thing to remember is, see, these angles are 120 degrees. Okay, so this angle will be 60 degrees, since these two vectors are what, equal in magnitude. Okay, I have already told you we are considering the balanced loads. So what does it means that this angle will be your 30 degrees. So if you are taking this line, which line? If you are taking this line as reference, that is your VA at an angle 0 is taken as a reference, then your VAB will be what? With respect to reference will be written as VAB at an angle 30 degrees. Okay, and your VAB, if you calculate the magnitude of the VAB, it will be root 3 times VA at an angle 30, or you can write it down as V root 3 V phase at an angle 30 degrees. Okay, so for star connected load, your VAB, that is your V line, this is your V line, is equal to root 3 times V phase at an angle 30 degrees. Okay, so I have derived these things. Okay, and this is for the positive sequence. Now you see for the negative sequence. Okay, so for negative sequence I am drawing with another line. Again I am taking your phase voltages VA at an angle 0, but this time it is a negative sequence. So the phase sequence will be ACB. Negative sequence means ACB. Okay, so VA at an angle 0, VC at an angle minus 120, and VB at an angle minus 240, you can say it as 120 degrees. So here if I calculate your VAB, that is your line voltage, see, you can calculate VBC also. So the magnitudes of VA, I am considering a balanced load, so VA is equal to VB is equal to VC. Okay, so let me calculate your VAB, that will be your V line, so it will be equal to VA minus VB. So here VA is this, minus VB will be this thing. Okay, and if you add these two, so you will get this thing as your VAB. Okay, so your this VAB, now again by the same analysis that I did here, this angle will be 30 degrees. So this time you can say it as your VAB, that is your VL, is equal to what? Again your magnitude will be root 3 times V phase. I am taking your VA phasor as reference only. Root 3 times VA at an angle, but this time this VAB is lagging by 30 degrees, that is in the clockwise direction, so it will be minus 30. Okay, so you can write it down as root 3 V phase at an angle minus 30 degrees. So this is a very important conclusion, that in the case of the positive sequence, your V line leads the V phase by 30 degrees, but in the negative sequence, your V line lags the V phase by 30 degrees. So this is the most important conclusion. That's why I draw these two phases. Okay, similar analysis you can do in the case of the delta. Okay, but in delta your VL is equal to V phase, but your line will be and phase will have some relation. So I will directly write down the result. Okay, so this much thing you should do, because that is how you practice with pen. Okay, so that is the important thing. So that is why I am not solving here. If you are having doubts, you can ask in the doubt section. So for the delta connection, so in previous page I discussed about the what star connection. I discussed about the star connection. Okay, now I'm discussing about the delta connection. So in delta connection, we know that your V line is equal to V phase, but for positive sequence, your I line is equal to root 3 times I phase, and I line in this will lag. In the negative sequence, your I line is equal to root 3 times I phase, but this time it will lead. Okay, and just for a conclusion, nice conclusion, I will write for star connection also. This we have already derived on previous page, that your IL is equal to I phase for star, but for positive sequence, your VL we have seen is equal to root 3 times V phase, but it was leading. Okay, and for negative sequence, your VL is equal to root 3 times V phase at an angle minus 30 degrees. Okay, so that is the whole conclusion of this overall video. So I hope you like it, and please like, share, subscribe Electrical Diaries, and register on Electrical Diaries, and ask your doubts in the ask your doubts section. Okay, thank you.